Hey guys, this is your Preet. Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I will teach you how to set up a Google Analytics GA4 property for your WordPress website. With the help of Rank Math SEO plugin, this is now even more easier to set up Google Services or Google Analytics property for your website. And I will also show you how you will able to measure your website performance in Google Analytics and also in the Rank Math SEO plugin dashboard. So don't miss any part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. So before we start this video, make sure you already install WordPress on your hosting platform. Once you already install WordPress on your hosting platform, we will go to setting. For the basic setting, let's go to general, where you have to ensure your WordPress URL and site URL is correct here. And then we will go to permalink setting to ensure our permalink setting set to post name. Next step, we will install Rank Math SEO plugin, which I already installed. For that, we will go to plugin, add new plugin, and search for Rank Math SEO plugin. Here you have to click install and activate your plugin. After you activate your Rank Math plugin, it will bring you to setup wizard, where we will follow the same steps I'm going to follow now. So here I have to click on Rank Math SEO plugin because I already activate my Rank Math SEO plugin, and just to refresh your WordPress website one time. If the setup wizard open, let me show you how the setup wizard look like and how you can go through the setup wizard. For the setup wizard, we will click on dashboard in the Rank Math SEO plugin and you will see option setup wizard. So let me show you about the setup wizard of Rank Math quickly. So here you have to choose advanced and click startup wizard. If you have a previously installed any SEO plugin, you can import your data from and click import or skip this option. Next option, we have to ensure our website. If your website is personal blog or community blog, you have to select according that and make sure your website name is correct. If your website has any alternative name, then you have to also provide that one. Next option, person or organization name, you have to provide here. A logo for Google, you have to provide logo for Google, and social share image. When we click save and continue, it will bring us to the very important page which I'm going to show you in the Rank Math SEO plugin how you can get this feature if you skip the setup wizard. So this is our analytic page where we have to connect our website to Google services. First of all, you have to click on connect Google services and here select your email address, click continue. If you're doing this for the first time, Rank Math plugin will create those Google services account for you. That's very easy. So here, if you not yet have a Google Analytics account, you have to follow the steps to create this account using Rank Math SEO plugin. It will ask you some permission to provide to create Google Analytics property. So let me choose my website here. And here in the property section, you have to select your property if you already have one. If not, you have to click here, create new GA4 property and click OK. Rank Math SEO plugin will auto create Google Analytics 4 or GA4 property for you. As you can see, our property has been created, and then in the data stream, we will choose website and you have to enable install analytic code. It will auto install Google Analytics code on your website to track every activity of your website, and then save and continue. So if you skip Rank Math SEO setup wizard, you can follow these steps. First of all, we will go to Rank Math, click on dashboard and scroll down to the analytics. We have to enable analytics and click setting. In this page, we have to select our account. If you're doing this for the first time, you have to connect your website to Google services to create these accounts. If you already have a Google Search Console or Google Analytics account, then you have to choose your account properly. Make sure your account match with your website domain name. So here the account I have selected here, easy buy online, and the property keep up GA4. So let me select my correct account in Google Analytics 4. Let me refresh it one time, first time. If you log in first time, as you follow the steps in Rank Math SEO plugin, the system will auto create GA4 property and the Google Analytics account for you. So now I have select the correct account here, easy buy online, and then property keep up GA4. So this is my dashboard after that, where I can see how many active users on my website, key event, new users, and more information. But if your website is just new, you just created, you have to wait some time to get these values or to get more information about your website visitors. So let's do some other setting. Click on admin under Google Analytics account. Click admin, and here you have to look for data collection and modification. Click on data streams. So you can see here our website domain name is correct here. So let me select and click on it. You have to ensure your stream URL is correct and match with your website. And scroll down under the events. You have to enable enhance measurement. Under the measurement, you can see what type of measurements we have which we can track for our website. Let me click on all the measurement. We have page view, scroll, if someone scroll on our website, if someone or user click on outbound links, site search, video engagement if you have a video on your website, but if you have a files, someone downloading those files, you will able to track how many downloads you get or people download that file. Form interactions. So let me click this configure enhancement measurement. Make sure you have to enable these options according your requirements. If you want to create custom event, then you have to click here, create custom event, click on it, and it will show you if you have a previously any custom event. Click create. Under the event name, you have to provide the event name and scroll down. You will see two more options. Choose how to create an event, create without code or create with code. Then you have to provide the name and install the code on your website to identify the event you want to measure. If you want to create a without code, then you have to follow these options. You have to select the event name here and provide the URL name. Example, you want to track page view and provide that particular URL you want to track for page views and click on create. So example, I want to track any page on my website and I have to copy the link and paste the link here and click create. Let me provide event name. You have to provide underscore like that, page views, and click create. Now our custom event has been created and you will able to see the information where it's saying event name equal to page view, page location, the URL I have provided previously. I wanna track that particular URL for the page view measurements. Do more setting about your this particular property about GA4, and now this is our again admin panel. So once you already enable those events measurements, you might think how to track your website reports, how to track those data. So for that we will go to reports. Under the reports, we will have more information about engagements. Here we will click on view user engagement and retention. Click on overview and it will give you information about your users. Let's click on events. Under the events, we will able to see all our events here. And you will see more information will be updated time to time. If you want to add filter, click on add filter, and here you have to choose the dimension. About the event name, you will able to choose is the key event, general, and more options. And you also able to add comparison and select the option you wanna compare. So example, if you wanna track your paid traffic or organic traffic, you can add comparison. For now, we have here all users. You will able to click on add comparison. You will able to select where you wanna compare it, direct traffic, organic traffic, or paid traffic, and click apply. Now you will able to track those traffic as you select here in the comparison. And now let's talk about if you want to track more things using exploration here. Explore, click on it. Using explore, you will able to track more things. Let's click on blank. Now we will able to set our own dimensions and metrics. Let's click on dimensions here. Click on dimensions. And example, we want to track events. Click on it. Event name. And then we also want to track links or geography, and you will able to select according that. So I also want to track the links, link URL, and confirm. So we have now dimensions. Let's also add metrics. Click this plus icon. Click on events. I want to track event count as well as users. Click on users, active users, and the total users. Let's click on confirm. Okay, so now we have set dimensions and metrics. If your website has already data or if your website is old, and you will see here under the free form, you will get all the data as we selected in the dimensions and metrics. It will update time to time. Now, when we scroll under the setting option, you will see option drop or select a dimension or matrix. So with the help of a filter, your report will only show according to the selection. If you want to track any particular link URL that match with or contain with, begin with, and you will able to provide enter expression. So we have successfully configured GA4 property in Google Analytics. Let's go back to our website. So here we already installed analytic code earlier, and then you will have more option if you choose the pro plan like anonymous IP address, self-host analytic, JS file. You also able to exclude login users from the reports and then save changes. So your WordPress website is now ready to analytic and get more detail about your website or data or users directly on your WordPress dashboard. For that, we will go to Rank Math SEO plugin and click on Analytic because we have successfully complete the analytic process. So under the Analytic tab, I'm able to track my website data directly from my WordPress dashboard. If you upgrade to Pro version, you will also able to track the losing or winning blog post on your website, and you also able to track a keyword performance. Like you will able to find out the losing keywords, build in keyword rank tracker, find a winning keyword directly in the analytic tab. And you also able to check site analytics, site performance, keywords, rank tracker, index status from Google Search Console. If I go to site analytics, I will able to track all my Google Analytics data directly in my dashboard. So if you have any question, just let me know in the comments. I will definitely reply you there. So I really appreciate for watching this tutorial. Thank you so much.